When buying or selling a home, a professional home inspection is a crucial step in the process. Home inspectors assess the property's condition, identifying potential problems that could affect its value or safety. Hi, I'm Emma, Darius Mitrokonic's assistant. Here are 10 of the most common issues uncovered during home inspections. Let's get started. 1. Roof damage. A damaged or aging roof can lead to costly repairs. Missing shingles, leaks, or poor drainage can contribute to water damage and structural deterioration. 2. Electrical problems. Outdated wiring, overloaded circuits, and faulty electrical panels are frequent findings. These issues pose fire hazards and may require significant repairs to meet current safety codes. 3. Plumbing issues. Leaks, corroded pipes, and poor water pressure are common plumbing concerns. Inspectors often find faulty water heaters, running toilets, or clogged drains that need attention. 4. HVAC system deficiencies. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems require regular maintenance. Inspectors frequently report dirty filters, inefficient units, or malfunctioning thermostats that can impact energy efficiency and comfort. 5. Foundation cracks and structural issues. Cracks in the foundation, uneven floors, and signs of settling can indicate structural problems. These issues may lead to costly repairs and impact the home's stability. 6. Poor drainage and grading. Improper grading around the home can result in water pooling near the foundation, leading to leaks, mold, and foundation damage. 7. Mold and mildew. Excess moisture in basements, attics, or bathrooms can lead to mold growth. This not only affects indoor air quality, but can also indicate underlying water issues. 8. Pest infestations. Signs of termites, rodents, or other pests can be a major concern. Pest infestations can cause significant structural damage if left unchecked. 9. Insufficient insulation and ventilation. Poor insulation and ventilation can lead to high energy bills and uncomfortable living conditions. Elite's home inspectors often find inadequate attic insulation, blocked vents, or drafty windows. 10. Safety concerns. Missing handrails, loose steps, faulty smoke detectors, or outdated building materials can present safety hazards. Ensuring these are up to code is essential for homeowner protection. While no home is perfect, understanding these common inspection issues allows buyers and sellers to make informed decisions. Addressing potential problems early can save time, money, and stress in the long run. If you're preparing for a home inspection, consider a pre-listing inspection to identify and resolve any concerns before they become deal breakers. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Feel free to hit subscribe if you like this content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.